Okay, freaking check it out. We got the cool bus out here, but we gotta get it moved out because this is the only thing we care about, you know? Alright, we got plans for this bad boy later, but here we go. Alright, cold start. This thing really hates these mother effers. This sucks. This thing is sick though. Yeah, it's sweet. It's alright. Alright, once it starts starting, it takes about 2 years and 3 minutes. We'll let you see it. Okay, I think we cycled her about 500 times. Now we're ready to let her eat. Today or tomorrow?
Tomorrow-ish, noon.
Sounds good. Oh my gosh. Sweet Moses. Hey, kids, that's why you don't buy a 6.0 Power Stroke, huh? I might have figured out why the neighbors hate us.
Really?
Here we go. Jed, the bus driver. Sheesh. Okay, we got the freaking big bus moved.
The big yellow thing.
Got the Dirty Max backed up. And here's the Freshie. Now we gotta get her out, swap some stuff on her.
We're already through a Gates timing belt in her, so she'll be able to handle all the RPM.
Yeah, so throw that in there. Now we gotta take her in the garage and swap some stuff. Then it'll be time to dump her in that bag, girl. So let's get her out of here, and then we'll start working on it. We got her pulled in here.
Got the big old
Jed's about to build a
2.0.
town on this thing.
This whole thing here is about to come here off. But I got another one. I'm about to grab it. Go here. Slam it down just like that.
Yeah.
Throw a couple bolts in it. Throw it in the car and kick. And then we're gonna figure. I looked it up yesterday. The car tops out 165, so just gonna have to see if that's true or not.
So anybody down to race, we got the Subi about to kick everyone's.
I'm already putting bets down. Got like 4 races lined up.
So you guys think you want to race this one? Just wait till the next couple. You guys, I don't know, man.
I don't know. This one ain't gonna be much. I think
the
truck will beat it in a straight line. Up the canyons. Good luck.
Okay, we're straight hooning right now, but okay, we're gonna do this. We'll give you some updates. We're not gonna record the whole thing.
Japan.
We're not gonna.
Up that thing. My bad, guys. We need to get monetized before we get demonetized.
Okay, we're not gonna record the whole ripping down stuff because boring, you know. But we're gonna get the stuff and we'll give you updates along the way, and then we'll let her rip like Tater Chip, as some other YouTuber says, like Fart Can or something says. But
who knows who that guy is?
yeah, no one knows that guy. He only has like 2 million subs.
Yeah, that's not a lot at all. We got over 10.
We got I think we got 3. I think.
Oh fuck! We're doing it big time, boys.
Yep, and for the long haul.
See, look, it's already. Oh.
Okay, we'll give you updates.
Okay, I watched a couple of YouTube videos and apparently just tripped this some bitch off. Don't even have to unbolt nothing. Oh shit! Fuck! It's true. It's off, baby.
I don't know what part we got to you guys, but
Day 2 of working on this thing.
Jace got to the motor and now
It's broken. Alright, it didn't even take it in the car and drop it at $9 grand, but I did the timing belt and then I pulled off that intake manifold, like you guys see me do real quickly. And then I got to this and started doing turbo stuff. We installed the exhaust. I put the new exhaust studs in from the old exhaust studs. And then, so we got all that on. We even had the turbo on. And then I broke a damn oil line for the turbo. So this one runs all the way up, and then it'll come back and goes the turbo right there. Yeah, I kind of effed it up, so we're waiting on parts now. So we got everything done, and then we got our STI intake.
Jace thought it'd be a good idea to paint like a damn fire hydrant.
Guys, don't pop the hood. Let's just enjoy the beauty of the outside.
Hey, no one's gonna see the hood, they're just gonna see the taillights.
Yep. Ain't nobody can be in front of it. But, so as soon as we have that part, it should go pretty quickly. But until then, we're kind of at a standstill because I can't really put it in the car yet. Because it's going to be a hell of a lot harder to put that thing on. But it'll get there. So the part comes in a couple days. Then as soon as that comes, it's going in that day. So it's going to run.
So we got a bunch of sweet content up for you guys. And so this is just kind of update because we're kind of stuck right now. So we're going to throw this up and
in like 5 more days,
get it going.
Another one as soon as that part comes in.
Yep. So right now we just got Jace's tool bench now, I guess. Huh, Jace?
Yeah, it works pretty nicely as a tool bench.
Okay. Hey, it's been about a day since I last picked up the camera to give you guys an update, but Jace has been working.
He's bullshitting. It's been way more than a day. It's been like 4.
But he's been working all day, and it might have been a couple days.
Yeah, he's doing
I don't know. But anyways.
YouTube lie there.
Yep. So anyways, we got to throw it on the engine hoist, and then put the flywheel on, and then we'll give you guys an update of all what Mr. Jed's been doing to it. So
we're back with the motor in the garage this morning. I know we were going to put it in last night. It got really dark really fast, and we just didn't have the lights and setup to be able to see last night. So we're back this morning. I just got an O2 sensor tool. Just pulled the O2 sensor out of here. So I have that sitting right there. Messed it up from pulling it out, but oh well. And then, so we're going to get this thing dropped in. And then after we get it dropped in, there's just a couple little lines and hoses we have to get wrapped up. Attach the wiring. Bolt it down to the bell housing, throw the starter in, and throw the intercooler on, and put some oil in this thing and see if it's going to fire up and run or not.
let's get it.
Ready?
Let's go.
Alrighty guys, so we got the motor dropped in. It's down. We got a couple of bell housing bolts completely on. Everything's set with the clutch and all that stuff. So now all we have to do is get some of the pipes with get the electrical connected, some of the hoses for coolant and stuff, air intake, then our down pipe, figure out some stuff with the boost controller, where stuff goes. I can't quite remember that because I didn't put the boost controller on, so I got to figure out what goes where with the boost controller. And then connect our air oil separator stuff, fill this thing up with oil.
So this will we'll probably cut this video off and then have everything else
on
in the next video.
But the next video it's starting, so go watch that video.
So